To week 2 of the Holiday Baubles Blanket Crochet Along. We're going to be working the second square ornament, which is called Winter Wonderland. Row 1, we will start using color E with a magic ring. Chain 3 and make 11 double crochet into the ring. Or if you prefer, you may chain 4, slip stitch to our starting stitch to form a ring, chain 3, and then work 11 double crochet into the ring. Double crochet, we will join to the top of our starting chain 3 to close this round. If you started with a magic ring, you will need to tighten the ring now and secure the end. 12 double crochet. Round 2, using color D, we will join with a slip stitch to any stitch and chain 5. This chain 5 counts as a double crochet, chain 2. We will double crochet in the next stitch and chain 2, and we'll work that all the way around. Double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2. When you've worked the double crochet, chain 2 all around, we will join with the slip stitch to the third chain of our beginning chain 5 to end this round, and you can fasten off. 12 double crochet, 12 chain 2 spaces. Round 3, we're going to be working behind the round 2 stitches into round 1 and also onto the round 2 stitches. So we want to join beside any of these double crochet in the round 1 stitch. So I'm just going to sort of fold that to the front, and beside the double crochet that's already there, I'll insert my hook to join with a slip stitch and chain 3. And then I'll single crochet in this next double crochet and place a double crochet in that same stitch of round 1 that double crochet is in, working behind. So you can see how that peeks through from the back. So single crochet in the double, place a double crochet in that same stitch, working from behind, round 2 stitches. And we'll continue that around. Single crochet in the round 2 double, then double crochet in that same stitch of round 1 beside that round 2 double. So I'm on my last repeat. I've worked that last double crochet behind row 2, and I want to single crochet into this last double of round 2, and then we'll join to the top of our starting chain 3 that's in back, so slightly hidden. We'll join to the top of that stitch and finish off. 12 double crochet and 12 singles. Round 4, using color B, we will join with a standing single crochet to any of the single crochet from round 3. We'll skip this next stitch, that double crochet that's behind, and working in the next single, we will place 7 double crochet. 6 and 7 double crochet. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in that next single. So we're skipping all of the double crochet and then working 7 doubles in the next single. Six and 7 double crochet, skip the next double, single crochet in the next single. So again, you can repeat that all the way around. You want to join to our starting single crochet at the end of the round. So you should have 6 petals made of 7 double crochet each and a single crochet in between them. Round 5, using color E, will join to any of the single crochets with a single crochet. We'll work a back post single around each of these 7 double crochet. So inserting from the back, around the post, out to the back again, pull that loop through, yarn over, pull through 2. Back post single crochet around each of these 7 double crochet in the petals. Six and 7 back post a single, single crochet in the single, and we'll repeat that all the way around, working those back post single around each double crochet and single crochet in each single. Once you've worked around, you can join to our starting single crochet to fasten off. 42 back post single crochet and 6 singles. Round 6, using color C, we want to find the 4th back post single and single crochet in there. We'll skip these next 3, and in the single crochet we're going to work a cluster 3 stitch. So we yarn over twice, insert into that single crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 twice, 2 loops on our hook. Repeat, yarn over twice into that single crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 twice, 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And we'll chain 3 and make another cluster in that same stitch. Chain 3 again and make one more of these clusters in that same stitch. So a cluster 3 stitch made up of these cluster stitches that are treble crochet, 2 joined together, chain 3 in between. Then we'll skip those 3 back post single, single crochet in the 4th back post single. And repeat that all the way around, skipping those other back post singles, working the cluster stitch in the next, single crochet. Now you may want to hold that first loop on your hook as you work the cluster to help it not stretch out so much. Chain 3. And so on. And once you've worked your way around, you can join to our starting single crochet and fasten off. 6 cluster 3 stitches and 6 single crochet. Round 7, using color D, we will join with a single crochet to any of the single crochet from last round. We'll front post single around the top of this cluster stitch. Place 4 single crochet in the chain 3 space. And we'll repeat that. Front post single around the cluster, 4 single crochet in the chain space. And another front post single around the cluster. Single crochet in the single crochet, and ready to work that again. Front post single around the cluster, 4 single crochet in the chain space, front post single, 4 single crochet. Front post single around that 3rd cluster, and single crochet in the single. So again, you can work that all the way around, joining to our starting single crochet to end this round. (18) front post single crochet and 54 singles. Round 8, using color E, we want to join with a slip stitch in the same place as our join at the end of last round. Chain 4, which counts as a treble crochet. In each of the next 2 stitches, we'll double crochet. So that first double is in the front post single. Half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and single crochet in 3. The second single is in the next front post single. Half double crochet in the next 2, double crochet in the next 2. And the second double is in the front post single. Then we're ready to work that again with the treble in that single crochet between the petals, then double crochet in 2, half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the next 3, half double crochet in the next 2, and double crochet in the next 2. So you can go work that around. So at the end of the round, we'll join with a slip stitch to the top of our starting chain 4, and we can fasten off. 72 stitches. Round 9, using color A, we want to join with a slip stitch in the 3rd stitch after our join at the end of last round. 1, 2, 3. So that should be the first of the half double crochet, and working in the back loop only, we'll start with a single crochet. And single crochet in each of the stitches all the way around. And I'll meet you at the end of this round. Working back loop only in all of the stitches. When you get to the end of the round, if you're continuing with the non-bauble or the non-holiday version, you will join to our starting single crochet under both loops. For the holiday version, we want to just join using that front loop only to end this round in 72 single crochet. So this next little bit, round 10, is only for the holiday version. So we start with a chain 4, which counts as a treble. Then we'll treble crochet in the front loop only of each of the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Oops. Just 6 treble crochet plus our first chain 4, so that gives us a total of 7. We'll fasten off, and you'll want to sew in that end right away. Round 11, we will be working in the back loops for the entire round. For those working the holiday version, we want to join in the back loop behind that chain 4 or that treble. For those working the non-holiday, we will join with a single crochet in the same stitch as our join of round 9. We'll back loop only single crochet in each of those next 6 stitches. So for the holiday version, those are the stitches behind our treble crochet. Then continuing in the back loops only, we will half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, double crochet in the next 2, and treble crochet in the next. Then in the next stitch, still working back loop only, we will place 2 treble crochet, chain 2, and 2 more treble crochet. Treble in the next stitch, double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, half double crochet in 2, and single crochet in 7, still working back loop only. That's 2, 3, 6, and 7. And then we're ready to begin the repeat again with those 2 halves, 2 doubles, a treble, and our corner stitches, 2 treble, chain 2, 2 treble. So you can go ahead, work that all the way around. On our last repeat, we'll omit those 7 single crochet and just join to our starting single crochet. Do not fasten off. So there will be 21 stitches per side and the chain 2 in the corner. Round 12, continuing with color G. Chain 3, and working through both loops, we will double crochet in each of the stitches along the side. And then in the corner space, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet, ready to work down the side with double crochet in every stitch. So once you've worked that all the way around, join to the top of our chain 3, but do not fasten off. 25 double crochet per side and the chain 2 in the corner. Round 13, the final round for this square. If you're working the non-holiday version, you will chain 1 and single crochet through both loops of each of these stitches until you get to the corner. For those working the holiday version, you do the chain 1. Then we want to insert our hook through the back loop of our first treble, which is at chain 4, and then through both loops in the same stitch as our join to pull the loop through and finish a single. Insert hook, back loop of the next treble, under both loops of the next stitch, and complete a single. And then you'll just work under both loops of the remaining stitches, single crochet down the side, ready to work our corners. So for both versions, single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet in that corner space, and single crochet through both loops of every stitch down the side. When you've worked that all the way around, you will join with a slip stitch to our starting single crochet and fasten off. So a half double crochet in each corner, 27 stitches per side. You want to fasten off with a long tail for joining. There's an optional round at the end here to work a round of surface slip stitches. We will use color C if you wish to do that. For this decoration round, I insert my hook in the top of the stitch of round 1, just under where those stitches of round 2 and 3 are placed. I pick up the slip knot from the back, pull it through. Insert my hook in the top of the next stitch, find that yarn to pull through and through the loop on my hook. We keep working around in that manner. Insert in the next stitch, pull the loop up and through the one on our hook, making slip stitches. Now we want to be careful that these slip stitches are not too tight, which would pull our work, nor do we want them loose and sloppy. So a nice even tension as we're working our way around. In from the front, pick up the loop, through the loop on our hook. Now for this last stitch, I remove the loop from my hook, I insert from the back, and I want to go through the loop of my first slip stitch, put that loop back on the hook and pull through to the back. I want to be careful that it didn't twist, and then I can tighten it a little bit at the back and fasten off. So to finish up week 2, we want to make 2 more of this Winter Wonderland square, and then again make 3 more of the large solid square. And I'll see you back here for next week, week 3.